Hi there, my name is Joanne Moss. I am the Director of Marketing here at Standard Electric Supply. Welcome to the May Hot Products video from Standard Electric Supply. Today, I have with me Ben Glady, our Brady Product Specialist, Steve Sampson, the Territory Manager for Brady. I also have James LeBeau with Wago, and Bobby Hall with JF Nolan, who is going to talk to us about a Stahlin product. They are all here to share what's hot, what you need to know about. So without further ado, we're going to start it off with Steve and Ben, who are going to share a little bit more about the M610 and the 611 Brady printers.
Awesome. So I am Ben Glady here, Standard Electric Brady Product Specialist, and today we're going to be talking about the Brady M610 mobile printer, the new Brady printer to the Flex series here. This is the next unit coming from that BMP61 platform, or for some older customers, that TLS unit. But a great new printer here off of that same platform, and we have a great new features as a 2-inch print speed, 6-foot military grade and vibration test, over 50 different material types and 900 different parts that we can print this, use to print labels within the field, in the shop or on the go. I've done a quick little serialization here on the printer, hit print. I mean, that's coming out faster than any other printer that Brady's released in the past or competitor model. In addition to that, they've also upgraded the battery on this guy to a lithium-ion battery, so we're about 4,500 labels per charge. So we're not dying out in the shop or in the field. Really a great addition to that Brady Flex series, like I had mentioned. But just really a great unit. And in addition to that M610 here, we also do have the Brady M611.
Thanks, Ben. M611. As you can see, it looks kind of similar in size, a little bit smaller than the keyboard-based M610. So the M611 is a Bluetooth-based unit. It can print 2-inch wide material, so all of the same material that you'd find in the new M710, in the M610. And these units essentially are the Flex series that replaced the previous edition version. So they have faster print speeds, better batteries. This particular one also has a built-in cutter as well. So that lithium-ion battery, what this does is it will allow us to use a free app called the Brady Express Labels app on our phone. So anyone can download this. You can sync up to 5 different devices at the same time. You can also print from your computer. So the PC-based Brady Workstation software also works with both the M610 that Ben mentioned and the M611. So what I dig about this, again, that cutter, but let's say I want to make a wire wrap. So I select my wire wrap function. I'm able to say, okay, I want to make a pre-sized one from there. Then let's say I want to go ahead and import from Excel. So I've got an Excel CSV file in my local drive here. I just import that entire thing all at once, and then I haven't typed a single thing in here at all, and I just hit print, and you'll watch this thing go. It'll fire away a bunch of different labels all at the same time and cut it at the end of the job. So I'm printing pretty fast. Again, I haven't typed a single one of these in. This is all variable different data. So I haven't had to type any of this in, just importing from Excel. The idea with all of Brady's printers is to make printing easier. If we can eliminate certain labors, you know, retyping in certain things off of a CAD drawing, if we can get it from Excel, we can put it directly onto a flash drive, into your Google Drive, email it to yourself. Those are really simple ways to be able to send files in the field to be able to print on demand. Again, 2-inch wide material. We can do those raised panel labels for push button labels. We can do the fancy flag labels for the datacom world. There's a lot of different options, 600 plus different materials. But again, the little easier price point on this one when compared to the M610 because it doesn't have the keyboard, but gives you that built-in lithium-ion battery, gives us Bluetooth and Wi-Fi right away, and all of those same materials with that built-in cutter. So it's a pretty awesome unit, and I think we're going to sell the heck out of them because of that free app that you can utilize.
Thanks, Ben. Thanks, Steve. That was very informative about the M610 and the 611 printers. If you want to know more about those, please reach out to your account manager, or you can just reach out to Ben. He is our Brady product specialist, and he knows everything you would want to know about Brady printers and labels. So we're going to transition now to Bobby Hall. He is going to tell us more about the Stahlin PolyStar enclosures.
All right. Thanks for the introduction, Joanne. So again, my name is Bobby Hall. I'm with JF Nolan. I am the rep for Stahlin Enclosures. That's Stahlin. Some people say Stahlin. We always say Stahlin was a dictator. Stahlin is an enclosure manufacturer. So when you hear that, it's Stahlin Enclosures. We manufacture fiberglass, polycarbonate, PVC enclosures, all non-metallic. And today specifically, I just want to talk to you guys about our polycarbonate line. It's called our PolyStar series. Extremely versatile, available polycarbonate offering. You know, as far as versatility goes, you know, we have sizes ranging from 6x6 all the way up to 24x24 as an industry leader as far as sizes go in polycarbonate enclosures. Our ratings are, anywhere from NEMA 1 all the way up to, NEMA 4, NEMA 4X, NEMA 12. And as far as temperature ratings go, anywhere from -48 all the way up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. So extremely versatile, indoor, outdoor, you can use it. We're constantly innovating, with our polycarbonate line. We recently came out with these mounting flange options. So heavier duty applications, you need a more robust mounting application. You can get these mounting flanges. You can order them individually, or you can order them with our actual polycarbonate enclosure. Our polycarbonate series, they all come made with these interior, like, it's kind of bulky here to show, but these interior T slots, just kind of, yeah, adding for more versatility as far as inside the enclosure goes. So we have side panels that can be mounted inside of these enclosures. We also have weight distribution shelves that you can mount on the bottom of the enclosure. If you're putting something that colors, if you're looking for that. So really just an overall versatile line, and right now it's available. So if we don't have stock of our polycarbonate series, we're looking at anywhere from 1 week to 2 weeks as far as availability goes. And so if you're interested in learning more, just reach out to your Standard Electric account manager, and they can answer any questions you might have. Thank you.
Thanks, Bobby. That was great to learn more about those PolyStar enclosures. Now we're going to pay attention to James LeBeau with Wago. He's going to tell you more about the Pro 2 series of power supplies.
Thanks, Joanne. My name is James LeBeau. I'm a product manager out of the U.S. For our power supply signal conditioner offering at Wago. Looking forward to talking about our Pro 2 family of power supplies. These are a Wago engineered, Wago manufactured power supply, top tier family type power supply. DIN rail mounted, comes in both 3-phase and single-phase offerings, 12, 24, 48 volt DC outputs, ranging from 120 watt all the way through 960 watt offerings there. These are high efficiency power supplies, up to 96.3% efficient. They have features like top boost and power boost, giving you a little extra oomph out of that power supply for high startup loads and that type of stuff. They have a digital output at the top, or a dry contact output, I should say, at the top. Giving you more than just DC OK. Most power supplies just give you DC OK, but this output can actually be programmed to give you some warning levels, some alarms, some alerts, that type of stuff out there if you want to just go right to your PLC and get some high level information from your power supply. Also has a digital input. You can remotely put the power into standby, which is nice if you're trying to save energy when a line shut down, say over a lunch period or something like that. This power supply has many different output offerings. Hiccup mode also has a built-in ECB offering as well, so you can configure an electronic circuit breaker on the output. Where this power supply really shines is when you add on an optional communication module. This communication module happens to be Modbus TCP. We also have an Ethernet IP module, an IO link module, as well Ethernet IP with MQTT module in there as well. When you put on this module, you can connect this to a PLC and monitor this power supply in real time. So you get your actual voltage, you get your actual current out of the power supply, you get all those alarms and alerts that I was telling you about earlier as well. So you can basically monitor that DC subsystem and understand what's going on in real time. So say you have a motor that has some bearings in there, and over time that bearing starts to wear down, and all of a sudden you're drawing more power from your power supply. Well, you can actually capture that in real time and kind of monitor that and take preventative maintenance actions before either your motor shuts down or the power supply becomes overloaded. And with that, that's all I have for the Pro 2 power supplies. If you have any questions on the Pro 2 power supplies or any other Wago product, reach out to your Standard Electric representative.
Thanks, James, for telling us more about the Wago Pro 2 Power Supply Series. Thank you to Bobby for sharing with us about the PolyStar enclosures from Stahlin. And finally, Ben, Steve from Brady, thank you guys so much for sharing about the M610 and the 611. As usual, if you want to know more, if you want us to come in and demo, if you want to purchase, if you need a quote, reach out to your account manager. We'll get that all set up for you. As always, please like, subscribe to our social channels, like this video, and subscribe here on YouTube. We love for when you follow us and when we interact with you online as well. So thanks for watching this May Hot Products video, and we'll see you next month. Thank you for watching.